This video explains how to buy shares of Ocean Power Technologies, Inc., a company that develops wave energy converters and offshore renewable power solutions. Ocean Power Technologies trades on NASDAQ under the ticker OPTT, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. You will need a broker to buy OPTT. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OPTT to find Ocean Power Technologies. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listed result to locate the correct company. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart with recent movements. Double-check the company name and that the ticker shows OPTT to confirm it is the right stock. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to commit, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may queue for the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same demonstration steps.